Nvidia's like, oh, big AI play, big AI play. Well, it basically peaked right here, right? Peaked right around here. Then it had this low point right here. Actually, I had this even lower point here. So this is a 28% drop. And the most recent drop was 26. So at the current price it's at right now, it's still 12% down from its high. Now my question is, are people gonna like buy and hold it and think, oh, it's never gonna go down, it's gonna keep going, this AI boom cycle is gonna just keep going forever? Like, does that sound realistic? Like, what were people saying? You know, look at this. This Nvidia chart goes back to 99, and then all the way here to 2016, it was basically flat. So if I were to get my measurement tool out and go from here to here, that's fucking 6,000 days. 6,000 days, this fucking stock company basically was flat. And then out of nowhere, we hit this upcycle. So realistically, do you think this upcycle continues forever, or eventually it peters out, it gets tired? You know, the AI narrative doesn't necessarily die, but it goes away, right? The cycle is going to change. Other cycles will continue. I'm thinking it's going to go down. Like if I put a trend line on it, I think it's going to be like this. If I like extend it out, it's going to go like that. So something would have to happen right here, you know, for it to break out. But again, I'm not optimistic on the market, so I ultimately don't know what's going to happen. I'm just looking at these charts and I'm like, this is clearly a downtrend, right? Hit a peak here, hit a peak here, hit a peak here, and it's those peaks continually lower, lower, lower each time, right? The only positive is this low here is lower than this one, so this is actually a higher low. So this is more bullish right here. So if I do from here, maybe something like that, we go into like a wedge pattern, and I'll make this one green. So that way people kind of get it. So this red line is like the bearish pattern. This green line is the bullish pattern. So people might think, what happens when we get to this wedge? Is it going to go boom? Is it going to go up? Or is it going to go down? You know, I'm thinking the overall market isn't probably going to make it. I think it's going to go down, but I could be wrong. You know, maybe the AI narrative goes 100 years and just never stops. You know, like I think it's unrealistic.